Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon, recording this on a full moon, sending you encouragement on your path, wishing you additional strength to overcome any obstacles that you might be facing. Stress, insecurities, frustrations, fears, worries, addictions, lack and limitations. Know that you're not alone in any of those. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Remembering that trust is like a superpower, not a weakness. Time to relax, my friend. Get comfortable. Get in a nice posture where you can be aware. Putting distractions to the side. Putting the past to the side. Letting go of future and just being here. Coming into this present moment unlike any other moment thus far. Closing the eyes, tuning deeper into your body, feeling the warmth of your body, the sensation of touch, becoming aware of sound. Dropping your shoulders away from the ears. You're safe to close the eyes. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Letting go of tensions in the belly. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale with a sigh. Relaxing your hands and feet. Opening the chest, feeling your heartbeat. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in and with awareness, breathing out. Breathing in trust and exhale, letting go of all the worries. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Inhaling peaceful energy. Exhale, feeling yourself more grounded, more centered in this moment. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, letting go of the inner critic, shame, guilt, negativities, saying goodbye. Every cell in your body breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling slower and softer. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your jaw. Relaxing the forehead, the back of the head, the top of the head. Feeling the palms of your hands open, ready to receive the blessings of today. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, to love, to be kind, to laugh, to cry. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Looking inwards, very gently, very lovingly, observing your inner world. And I want you just for a few moments, as you observe, to let your mind be totally free. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale, let go. Returning home to yourself with the sound of the bell, following the sound all the way to the end. Becoming aware of your body, aware of your posture, aware of this present moment, aware of your presence. Such a gift to connect with you today in this special way. So happy you would join me today. Becoming aware of your space, your surroundings, aware of how you feel. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is clear, if that counts as a color. The number is infinity, if that counts as a number. And the animal is a dragon, if that counts as an animal. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale, letting it all go. Feeling yourself centered, balanced, grounded, open. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of light. Be a light unto yourself. Recognize that you are a light, that your presence is here to reveal something to each one of us. You're able to share your gift by sharing your presence with others. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.